let us see how these haloalkanes and haloarenes are named as per IUPAC nomenclature. So these alkyl halides, common name is alkyl halide, its IUPAC name is haloalkane, and if we are having aryl halides, common name will be haloarene and its IUPAC name will be haloarene. Let's take few examples. Here we have N-butyl bromide. So it is the common name and its IUPAC name will be bromobutane, since we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon. Hence it is butane, and since bromine is attached, so it is bromobutane as per the IUPAC nomenclature. And then when we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon, that means it is pentane, and where we are having this bromine attached, so IUPAC name will be bromopentane, however common name will be N-pentyl bromide. When we are having this methyl propane, since here we are having this 1, 2 and 3, so since it is attached to 2-methyl, hence its name is 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. Now let's take another examples. Here we are having this chlorine attached to the carbon number 2. Hence its IUPAC name will be 2-chloropropane, since it's the carbon of 1, 2 and 3. And its common name will be simply alkyl halide. Hence it is propyl, so we will say it is isopropyl chloride. Now this we are having 1, 2 and 3. So it's a carbon of 3. So it will be propane, and we are having substitution at position 2. So it is named as 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. So this is its IUPAC name, and its common name will be simply neopentyl chloride. Now let's take examples of haloarenes. Here we are having this chlorine directly attached to this benzene ring, hence its name will be simply chlorobenzene. Both common name as well as IUPAC name will be same. And when we are having this chlorine and bromine attached to this benzene ring at para position, then common name will be para-bromochlorobenzene. Now since bromine, B is coming alphabetically before this chloro, hence it is para-bromochlorobenzene. Now its IUPAC name will be, again it is given the priority 1, so this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since at one position we are having bromine and at position 4 we are having chlorine, so it will be named as 1-bromo-4-chlorobenzene. So here we are having this chlorine attached to this CH2 group, hence its common name will be benzyl chloride, and its IUPAC name will be chlorophenyl methane. And then when we are having this bromine attached to this benzene ring at position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the bromine is attached to position 1, 3 and 5. Hence its IUPAC name will be 1,3,5-tribromobenzene, and common name will be simply tribromobenzene. Now let's take example of when we are having 2 chlorine attached to same carbon. So its common name will be ethylidene chloride. However, its IUPAC name will be, since it is at position 1, so 1,1-dichloroethane. Also it is known as gem dihalide when the 2 chlorine are attached to same carbon. And when we are having this chlorine attached to 2 different carbon, it is known as ethylene dichloride, and its common name is 1,2-dichloroethane. Such compound are also known as vicinal dihalide. So this vis is indicating vicinal, and this gem is indicating geminal. And this is the example of chloroform, CHCl3. So its IUPAC name will be trichloromethane.